Welcome in, DIYers. Now that we've got the structure for the deck built, we are finishing up the joists. So we're running the joists here, and we are going to be sistering them over top of the supports so that it extends the full length of the deck. You want to make sure your deck joists are 16 inches apart on center, and anytime you're going to be sistering them over the support beams, not only do you screw them together multiple times, you want to use lag bolts to go through and hold them together. We typically put 4 in each sister that we do because you overlap the sistering by about 4 feet. Next, you get an exact measurement of how long your handrail posts need to be. I always start a screw on the top and a screw on the bottom of where the post is going to be. This is a little trick that I've learned over time. So you put one in the top about an inch from the top of the support board, and you put one in the bottom about an inch from the bottom. What you do is you run one in to your post to hold it in place. You check and make sure that it's level side to side. Then you can run the top screw in. That holds it level side to side. Now you can drill your pilot holes for your carriage bolts, and you want to make sure these are drilled straight through and level. You don't want them going through at an angle. Then you hammer your carriage bolts through the hole that you just drilled. We made sure we were level side to side with the initial screws. Now that the bolts are in, you can tighten the nuts and you can get it level front to back. All right. Just like on the other ones, might need to clean some of the wood out of the threads there. Just makes it go on a little bit easier. There may be a method to get this to come through without splintering the wood like this. If there is, I haven't found it yet. If you know about it, tell me in the comments. Again, these should just hand tighten pretty easily. Once you get them hand tight, can't do it anymore. That's when you get your trusty pliers, socket, whatever. Tighten them the rest of the way. Now that the bolts are tightened, you can make sure you're level front to back by simply tightening one more than the other to adjust it. It's crucial to get these posts set before you put deck boards down. It makes life much easier. Also, notice that we've got joist tape covering all the joists. You'll want to do that to protect all the joists for the future weather. Now it's time for the fun part and the part that you're going to see the most of, laying the top boards. Everything we've done up to this point has been crucial in making sure this process goes smoothly and as easily as possible. Hope this video was helpful. We'll see you next time.